In this video, we will introduce common ways to log tracebacks in Python. A traceback in Python is a report containing the sequence of function calls that led to an exception. When an exception is raised, the traceback shows where in the code the error occurred, which is very helpful in debugging the issue. First, let's see what's the issue with the regular logging.error function, which does not log the traceback by default. As we can see in this example, only the error message is logged. If you see this error message in your logs, you will have no clue exactly at which line of code the error occurred. To log the traceback, which shows where in the code the error occurred, we can use the traceback library, which can format the exception and give a readable traceback report. Actually, we can get the same traceback using logging.exception and don't need to import the traceback library, which can make our code simpler. This is the recommended way to log tracebacks in Python. Sometimes we may not want to always log some exceptions at the error level. Otherwise, the alerting channel can be overwhelmed, or the exception is not serious enough to be logged as an error. In this case, we can log the error message at any logging level and set the x_info argument to true to log the traceback as well. In this example, we log the exception at the warning level and also log the traceback. In this video, we briefly introduced various ways to log tracebacks in Python. In most cases, we would want to use logging.exception to log the traceback, which is also recommended by most linting tools. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.